So we're filling up with gas and we're gonna get the truck weighed. Got me and my wife in here now. We'll have to figure in for the dog and the kid, and then we're gonna do another weight after we get the camper all loaded up and see how much more than they've listed 2460 for the last few years. I'm looking at 21 models and up, so I know they all don't weigh the same.
So we've got the two weight tickets next to each other here. The truck originally weighed 7,440 pounds, and with the camper with a full tank of water and propane and a couple of groceries in the fridge, it weighs 10,400 pounds. We had to add 60 pounds back to it because we forgot to fill it back up with fuel before we weighed it the second time. So that means the camper is 2,960 pounds. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and like and subscribe to check us out on our adventures with the new camper.